Today let's see what Google hacking is and what it can do for us. Before Google hacking commands, uh, let let us see like what Google can do for us. Can get things like Colombo time, so it will give the time, or if you want to get the weather, uh, you can get the weather, or you can get some currency conversions done, USD to LKR, so you can get it done very easily. So all these things are available with Google. Now if you go to the Google tags, so Google hacking is all about using the Google tags to search something useful. See, I wanted to get some PowerPoint presentations downloads from university sites, so I can use a tag called site, and I can use edu to represent universities. So if I just search, I will get all universities starting from all education institutes, as you can see from here in the list. And then I can use the other tag called file type. So if I want PowerPoint, I can say PowerPoint. And if I'm looking for something on machine learning, uh, so I can get machine learning PowerPoint slides very easily. And of course you can trust more because it's coming from an education institute. So these are called the search tags, site, file type. Similarly, if I want to, I can type in URL. In URL, if you have something like machine learning, so get this link, so easily you can find out more relevant information. Similarly, you have another tag called in title, so you can get the wiki article straight away. So that's mainly the title of the web page. So if you open the particular link, you can see that in the title you get machine learning. You can see the title here. So in URL, in title, and if you want, you can search something like machine learning, and you can use a tag like related to um, Coursera. Um, so you can get things related to Coursera on machine learning. So that's also a powerful search tag. Similarly, you can get other tags like in text. So you can use in text passwords. So if you want to get some hacking done, so you may be able to find some sites where it contains passwords. So that's in text, or you can use something like info tag to gather more information, say about Sri Lanka. Yeah, so we'll find information, more particular relevant information. So these are like Google hacking search tags. And if you really want to learn more about Google hacking search tags and Google hacking, the best place you have to be is ExploitDB. ExploitDB. Okay, give it a second. So Cassia, and Cassia. Okay, Cas. All right. So let me submit. Okay, I go to ExploitDB, and this is one of the interesting sites where you can download exploits if you are into security. But what is relevant here for you guys now is Google Hacking Database. So if you go to Google Hacking Database, you'll find plenty of entries to find a lot of things. So what they're using is the search tags that I explained earlier. So you can see here in the top similar search tags being used. So let us open few. So passwords, usernames. So let me check one or two. So you can see this is the search tag, and so this is to find some information. So let me open it. So and we'll have a look at what is this search tag. So it checks in titles or the titles of the web pages which are restricted, and the file type is documents, and the site is government. So basically they're looking at government sites and some restricted documents. So you can see some documents restricted access. So these are ways of hacking in. And so the same, if you can be a little bit creative, you can do your own search. So do some changes to the search tags. You can do interesting searches. And the next one, close this, is looking for passwords. So you can see, so Excel files containing passwords. So it's a easy search term. So you can see it's looking for the extension XLSX, which are Excel files. So you can see there are some documentation. So if I download one, so let me check opening it up. Alright, so it contains some usernames and passwords. So you see the username link and you see the password link. So that's basically what you can do. So if you look at Google Hacking Database, you'll find a lot of interesting ways of hacking in. And you can look for devices, printers, cameras. So let me look for cameras. Yeah, so you can find cameras, ways of getting cameras here. So let me check one or two. Yeah, I'm not sure whether this works, but let me check. So yeah, so this is the search term. That is what is important to understand. So you are looking at the URL, and then you get a lot of search results, around 30,000. So let me open one or two and see whether we can get some camera view. Okay, so I get some violation, but yeah, so I get some camera status information. It's not a camera view, but status information. But yeah, so this is more of getting camera status information. Similarly, you can check for other entries. If I look for camera again, okay, so this time, yeah, it's the same thing. Alright, let me search and see whether we can get a camera. Okay, so we look at this one. Okay, we have few. So the search term here, it's in URL. So it uses something called guest image. So this is uh, what we get as results. So we will get few. Yeah, so finally we get a camera. So it's live image. See, the other one is still loading. So we get few cameras here. Not few cameras, actually we have around 146 cameras. So probably we look at one more. Yep. So it's still loading. Yeah, that's another camera view. So yeah, that's another one. And finally that's another one. And you can see people moving. So it's a live camera. So similarly, if you go to Google Hacking Database, you'll find plenty of options and creative ways of searching for things. So that concludes the session. Thank you very much. Subscribe and look for more videos. Thank you.